Dive into the world of wealth creation with strategies that break the mold of traditional homeownership. As the money expert, I'm here to guide you through 10 powerful ways to build your financial empire without the keys to a new home. First, embrace entrepreneurship. The thrill of starting your own business or monetizing a hobby can unlock financial potential beyond your wildest dreams. Next, play the long game with stocks and equities. Compounding returns could be your ticket to riches. And don't overlook the digital gold rush. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum offer a high-stakes, high-reward investment frontier. Consider real estate investment trusts for a taste of real estate without the burdens of ownership. Or join the peer-to-peer lending revolution, where your money works for you, earning interest through platforms like Prosper and Lending Club. For the market-savvy, day trading can turn short-term fluctuations into a substantial income. Digital products, from ebooks to online courses, provide scalable income with minimal overhead. And if you're an expert in your field, monetize that knowledge through consulting or coaching. Affiliate marketing can also pad your wallet by promoting products to your online audience. Finally, remember the power of diversification. Cultivating multiple income streams can secure your financial future and mitigate risks. So before you sign that mortgage, consider these 10 strategies that could lead you to wealth beyond real estate.